friends, today we are with the Cellecor Quad C109. It is also listed somewhere as Cellecor Bro Pod, so don't get confused between them. I will tell you each and everything of the feature what we are getting in this earbud. So first I will unbox it and show you what are the box contain. It will be coming in two colors. The one we got is the grey and olive green, and the other color will be black color. So these are the two colors which will be available. Now talking about the highlight feature, it can run up to 60 hours of playtime, which the company is claiming. Here we take out the plastic wrap. This is the case and the earbuds are already in it. You can also hook up the line strap, and inside the box we are getting there are two pair of ear tips. These are small and large. One pair is already pre-installed in the earbuds, and this is the charging cable. It is pretty small, and we are also getting a user guide. I definitely recommend you to go through that. These are the indicators of charging. Inside that you can see there is a olive green finish. The ear tips are olive green and the stems are very small. They are not long, which we are used to see. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Now talking about few more things, it supports fast charge, which means 10 minutes of charge can give you 150 minutes of playtime, and it takes 1.5 hours to charge full charge of your case. So this is the time what is required, and it can run up to 60 hours of playtime, where 12 hours of playtime on a single charge can be done. The case battery is 500 mAh and each ear tip comes with a 50 mAh of battery. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.3 support. It has a IPX5 sweat resistant, water resistant support, and the case weighs around 34 grams, so it is not heavy, it is very light. It supports 50 ms of low latency, so there is gaming mode also present. And you can see there's a Type-C charging port, so you can charge from the bottom. There's indicator to see the charging, and the earbuds are feel very light when you plug inside. Even you can see the indicator is placed on the top. This is the place where you will tap. Now if you see, these ear tips look pretty small in size and can run up to 60 hours. Is definitely a good thing. Now I will show you how it fits in my ear. So this is the fitting is. The stem is very small, but you can also see the LED indicator is blinking constantly when I am playing this song. It comes with the quad mic ENC, and taking a call on a noisy place is definitely not a big problem. Now the pairing is very easy. Once you take out the earbuds and put it into your ears, it will show in the Bluetooth connectivity. Just connect it, pairing can be done. There is no specific app required to connect this earbuds, so that is also a good thing if you want to just plug and play with the earbuds. And it also gives you a touch control where you can use it for audio control. I will currently show you. So I will change the audio. Here you can see volume up and down. This can be done by single touch. If you want to play or pause, you have to do the double touch on the left or right earbud. If you want to go to the previous track, you have to do the long touch on the left earbud. If you want to go to the next, you have to put the long touch on the right earbud. Voice assistant can be done on the triple tap, either left or right. Music mode and gaming mode can be switched by 4 tapping, which is very easy. To answer a call, it is just a single touch on left or right. Reject a call is just double touch on left or right. Hang up is double touch on left or right. Cancel dial is double touch on left or right. Power off is long touch on left or right. Power on is long touch on left or right. Reset is 7 touch on left or right. So these are the functions. I definitely recommend you guys to check it. It is available on official website, Flipkart, Amazon. All three has a different price point, so definitely I will request you guys, where you get a stellar deal, just go for it. It is very small, it is easy to carry, it is waterproof. So there are too many things with this price point. It can be connected with your laptop wirelessly, also your iPhone if you have. So you can go and grab this. This is all about the Cellecor Quad C109. This is Vivian signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.